Hello everybody, and today I'm going to be showing you how to solve. Just kidding. Hey guys, and today I am going to be solving this. I am gonna solve this. Anyway, I do know how to solve this. In my most recent video, I showed you how to solve it. So,
That's not nice.
yeah. Sorry about all the background noise. Quarantine. So.
Hey! Stop!
I almost forgot about
the parenting award.
F2L.
Well, hi.
Wait, what is that? Oh, yeah.
You don't eat it again. That's the second time. Oh my god. No.
Oh, that's a cool pattern. I want to keep it like this, but I also want to solve it. Oh well.
Hey.
Are you ready for breakfast?
Oh, that was fast.
Mommy's getting you Milkies.
Solved it.